friends, today we're going to draw a pistachio.
Yeah, we're going to draw a funny pistachio. We hope you're going to follow along because art is always better with
friends.
Yeah, friends like you. You need something to draw with. We're going to use markers. You also need some
paper and something to color with.
Yeah, and we're using markers to draw and color with, so we're also using marker paper to draw on.
Yeah.
That makes the markers last longer so they don't dry out fast. All right, let's start.
Yes.
Let's start by drawing the shell, and we're going to draw it kind of open so that you can see the pistachio nut inside. And we're going to start by drawing a letter V, but I'm also going to draw the letter V curved a little bit. And then up here at the top, I'm going to also leave a lot of space so that we can draw that nut on the inside. Yeah, and down here at the bottom, we can extend this just a little bit further because at the bottom it's connected. Now let's draw the outside of the shell. We'll start over here at the top, and we're going to draw a little curve coming this direction, but then we're going to curve around like this, all the way down to the bottom. And then right before we connect in, we'll curve the other direction too. Yeah, let's do the same thing on the other side. We'll curve one direction, but then we'll curve back the other direction. And then we'll connect in at the bottom. There's our pistachio shell. That looks awesome. And I love that our two drawings don't look exactly the same. And it's okay if your drawings look different too. I'm sure they're turning out awesome. The most important thing is
to have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Practice. Yeah, remember to have fun and practice. All right, let's keep going.
Yeah.
Now let's draw the pistachio nut on the inside. We're going to draw an upside down U. We'll start here. I'm going to draw a curve coming up like this. We're going to curve around, and then we'll connect back in. Yeah, we did it. There's our pistachio nut, except it's not very funny. What are we missing?
A funny face.
Yeah, we're missing a funny face. Now you can change your funny face any way you want. You can change yours too, Hadley.
Okay.
I'm going to draw the eyes first, and I'm going to draw one eye like this, and actually the other eye kind of the same. And I'm going to draw another circle this way. I'm going to draw really big eyes. And I'm going to draw, this is the outside or the white part of the eye. And then I'm going to draw a smaller circle inside here and color in this little one. My eyes look a little crazy. Oh, I really like yours.
Thanks.
Next, let's add the mouth. And I'm going to draw a mouth with a tongue sticking out. I'm going to draw a letter U first. And then I'm going to draw two little bumps on top. Then I'm going to draw a line coming out to the left and also the right. Oh, I like that one. And then I'm going to draw the top of the mouth curving around, kind of like yours. It's the same shape. And then maybe some teeth up here at the top. We did it! We finished drawing our pistachio, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color him.
Yes. This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same coloring. Or you can color your drawings any way you want. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our funny pistachios, and yours is my favorite.
Aw, thanks.
You can pause the video right now to match our same coloring. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers. If you have the same set, we used two greens. We used 59, which is the lighter green we used for the main color, and then the darker green we used for the shadow is
54.
Then we used two browns for the shell. 26 is the light brown or the main color that we used, and then the darker color
100.
Yeah, 100. Then I also used a light blue in the eyes, 182, and 88 pink for the tongue.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing funny pistachios.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.